made a J-Dab edit. Nah, this might be J-Dab's first ever edit.
You can call me Jerk Lord.
What the hell? Nah, this man got a J-Dab edit. Yo, J-Dab got an edit. Why keep doing it?
Pink, how big are you?
Why this shit kind of hype?
Probably like 8 inches flaccid. No joke, not even joking.
Do you think you could sing for me, Daddy?
Yo.
And then on the bridge, it goes to like a rap part, and then I'm gonna be in the chair and you're gonna be giving me a lap dance.
That's really specific.
I mean, that's what I just had it in my head for like not a long.
Do you fantasize about me?
Would it be weird if I said yeah?
The fuck am I watching?
I be daydreaming about
Jerk Lord.
Daydreaming about you.
Why are you stuttering?
Oh,
Jerk Lord.
Because like I'm really nervous, bro. Like
I like dominant guys.
you like dominant guys?
Yes.
You want me to be dominant now?
Yes.
Don't fucking talk to me like that ever again. You hear me?
So dominant, Daddy.
Jesus, bro. Yo, King, thank you for 7 months.